Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Magda and I'm a product expert in Foyr Neo. I'm here to help you get the most out of the software. In today's video, I'm going to show you two customized TV wall designs. Let's start. The first design will be very simple. In this room, the focal point is the fireplace. We don't want to create another focal point, but we don't want to leave the TV wall bare also. We will create an interesting feature out of it by using LED lights and texture. First, we'll use the Create New Product tool to create our TV wall feature. Click on Create New Product, Create Yourself, and Rectangle tool. Now I'll give it some depth. We can hide the environment. Now with the offset, I will create another rectangle in the middle. I will use push and pull again to pull it out. Now click on Done. Use the free movement to move it out of the wall. And now use the rotate tool to rotate it. Now we can apply LED lights. I will use the neutral strip light. Now we will place the product back on the wall. Now we will add interesting texture and add a TV. The TV wall is ready. And that's how it looks after render. For the second wall design, I will use geometric shapes. I'll go to Building Elements, Shapes, Geometrics, and I will use this arch wall duck shape. I need 4 of these, so I will use the clone tool. Instead of using strip LED lights, I will apply texture that imitates light. Now I will use the same shape and I will put it on top. On top of the white arches, I will apply the same marble texture as we have on the fireplace. I will add a TV and to make this feature wall even more interesting, I will add some floating shelves. I will add some accessories and our TV wall will be ready. And that's how the TV wall looks on the render. Hope you enjoyed this video. I showed you how you could use Create New Product tool and geometric shapes to create fully customized TV wall design. Hope it will give you some ideas for your own projects. Remember to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of Foyr Neo. Thank you for watching and happy designing.